Hey everybody, today we are going to make pesto from the plant to the jar. This is my amazing basil plant that I had on the patio, and you can cut it back by about 1/3 without damaging it, and so that's what I do when I'm ready to harvest basil. I take the stalks that I cut off and I start harvesting the leaves, just picking off the ones picking off all the leaves, discarding any that are brown or not looking good. And then I go back to the plant and I keep picking off the leaves. I leave the stems intact and just pick off all the leaves, starting with the biggest ones first, until I get about 2 cups of packed leaves. So you want about 2 cups full. And then all you need is olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and garlic. About 1/2 cup of Parmesan, 2 cloves of garlic, and it'll end up being about 1/2 cup of olive oil. First, I chopped up in the food processor the garlic because I had whole cloves. And if I had fresh Parmesan, this is when I would put that in also, but I just had the pre-ground kind. And then just shove all of your basil leaves in the food processor and pulse it till it gets down about, halfway to what you want. Just keep pulsing it down. And then I'm going to put the Parmesan in at this point, the already grated Parmesan. And then pulse it a little bit more. And then you're going to put it on, after you pulse it a little bit more and get it all mixed up together, you're going to keep it on low and then just pour the olive oil in the top very slowly until you get it to the consistency that you want. So the first time I checked here, it was a little bit too pasty, so I put it back on a little more. And you want it to be easily spreadable, but not too oily. Kind of like I don't know, like baby crap or something. So you want the whatever consistency that you want, and that's it. And put it in your jar. It'll stay in the fridge at least a couple weeks. I use this in everything, all kinds of stuff. It's so useful. You can put it on